Oh my gosh, look how much hair you have versus me.
When I curl it, it makes a really big difference. And when I braid it, it looks a lot smaller. So I think, yeah, that's why.
I don't think that's why. Hello everyone, I am here today and I have a special guest.
Hi, I'm Adeline.
And she is here today and we just did a video on her channel, so you need to go and check it out. It's when we ordered whatever the person in front of you ordered, Canadian style.
Version.
Like, right, you need to go watch.
Yeah.
We are going to be making food that you guys had chosen.
We are making, because we are chefs.
On Insta stories, I asked you guys, do you want sweet or savory? Do you want frozen or baked? Like things like that. Hold on, I have the results
The polls?
on my phone. Of course, I wasn't prepared. I don't have my phone on me.
Sweet versus savory.
Everyone wanted sweet. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Fancy versus
rustic.
Okay.
Rustic food? What's rustic food?
Just like not like frilly food.
Frozen or baked? Baked.
Everyone wants
I
baked
thought
too.
people would pick frozen though because it's summer.
That's what I thought.
But it's 80, what did it say? 83% baked. Ooh.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, so many.
Okay, bite size or family size? I picked family size, which
Okay.
we love that.
Yeah.
Leftovers, that's fine.
So we decided that based on all those results that we were going to make today what is deemed by Tasty to be the best gooey salted caramel brownies. I hope you guys enjoy these types of videos. We do a lot of tasty tested recipes on this channel, so go and check them out if you are interested. And without further ado, let's get into this. Guess we need to look at the ingredients.
Let's look at the ingredients.
Ooh.
Ingredients list. We have non-stick cooking spray.
Then we have 12 tablespoons unsalted butter.
1 cup of granulated sugar.
We also need some brown sugar because it's a good mix to have some white sugar as well as brown sugar.
1/2 cup. Not 1, not 2, but 3 large eggs.
I was really hoping that I got the number right and I didn't go like this by accident. Vanilla extract. Oh, Costco sized.
1.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
We need a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Although don't worry, that's not all the chocolate.
1 tablespoon of salt.
1/2 cup of
Chocolate
semi-sweet.
chips.
They're so good.
Not 1, not 2, but 3 cups of soft caramel candy.
Look at all of
This
these.
is 3 cups. Do you see this?
This is crazy.
This is 3 cups.
I feel like that's too many, but like that's what they said. So like, here we go. So now that we have all the ingredients laid out, all prepared, we're gonna go into actually mixing everything together. I kind of feel bad that we had Instagram pick out everything and they don't even get to taste it. We'll let you know if it's any good, right?
Yeah.
Because then if it's good, then you should definitely make it. Yeah.
And if it's not, then we just saved you like however much the ingredients cost.
Yeah, and time.
Yeah,
so
and
much
time.
time. So preheat the oven to 350.
Okay.
I can do that. I'm right here. Boom.
Beep, boop.
Look at that. Number 1, done. Okay, so we need to whisk together melted butter. So we have our butter right here, melted.
Next up, granulated sugar. Here she goes in. Boop. Brown sugar. Can I put it in? This is so fun.
Yes, do it. Dump it.
Brown sugar.
Why do I have so many sound effects for all
know.
these ingredients?
Kind of looks like applesauce right now.
Ooh, it does.
It does not smell like applesauce though.
No, just a bunch of sugar and butter.
And
All the
yeah.
great things in life.
Next up, eggs and vanilla extract.
One egg. I feel like the count.
1 egg, 2 egg,
egg.
3 egg. Vanilla extract.
Okay, how much of the extract do we need? Okay, who's
3/4
gonna find it first?
teaspoon.
Oh, you found it first. 1/4 teaspoon. So we need 3 of these.
Yeah.
1.
1, 2, 3. Thank you, Dora.
Oh, look at that. Look at that, it's perfect. Love this, I haven't done any work so far. Okay.
I'm really feeling it in my arms.
Okay, sift in the flour. Okay, so I'll put in the flour. Bloop. And we need the cocoa powder.
Cocoa
Yep.
powder.
1/4 cup. And then
The salt.
the salt.
Wait, I'm gonna move. It looks like an Instagram video right here. Ooh, this is really fun.
Look at that. Oh, it's snowing.
It looks like a little bronzer. You know the elf bronzers?
Yeah, but the little, oh my gosh, we're such a
This
makeup
is what
guru.
happens when you watch Makeup Gurus.
Okay.
Getting my arm workout in again. Ooh, this is so satisfying.
Ooh.
This smells so good. It smells like when you go into a bakery.
That's exactly it. I feel like we're doing a good job baking so far.
Yeah, me too.
Just a little bit, like a little. Oh, we need to mix in the
Chocolate
chips.
Okay, I'm passing you the
Yeah, that's
stirring
me.
job.
This is my job now. You just basically made all those brownies yourself. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so chocolatey.
And then the caramel on top.
I forgot about the caramel. Oh, this is the best day ever.
That looks so good.
Wow. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Oh, she's hitting the light.
Ooh. Now, we need to pour half of this batter in here.
Okay.
And spread it out.
We are literally making an Instagram video.
Right now.
This is so aesthetically pleasing.
Spread it out all all the corners. Oh, they used a knife? Is that what they did? Oh,
Yeah.
they did a knife. Okay.
Yeah, they made it look like all flat.
I mean, it's brownie batter.
Oh. Arrange caramel candies in a single layer over the batter. Pour the rest of the batter over the caramel candies and spread to cover. Ooh!
Did you know that Adeline and I, you wouldn't know this on this channel because she's never been on this channel before. We've done collabs basically like every single
Almost
year.
every year. Every day we hit each other up and we're like, it's that time of year again.
Although usually it's Christmas time.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, we're eating that one.
Oh my god. Too bad, I guess. My floors are mostly clean. Mostly. I feel like I put too much batter on this side and now I have to spread it across. You know, you gotta make it even.
Spread it. I keep eating the caramels. Here we go. Boop. Bop. 35 minutes on the clock.
Okay, what is next? Okay, the topping, because we need to go extra if we're gonna do the best salted caramel.
Brownies.
1.5 cups of soft caramel candy.
1/4 cup of heavy cream. And then flaky sea salt for sprinkling.
Very extra. Okay, so we'll get all these in here.
1 cup.
Grab
I
one.
feel like this is 1.5 cups.
It's
Do you feel like
gotta be.
it's good?
I feel like this is good, right? Like that's
1 cup.
And this is for sure
Half
a cup. Yeah, love it.
Oh, that's creamy. Ooh, that was creamy.
30-second intervals, stirring between until it's thick and velvety. Ooh, velvety. That's a great descriptor for caramel sauce. Should I make this now or should I wait until it's done? They're making it, but then they're just immediately drizzling it.
I feel like it'll take 10 minutes to make, so we'll take a 20-minute break.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so satisfying.
We have the caramels and the heavy cream. And now we are going to microwave this so it turns into a velvety sauce. Ooh, caramel. So, these brownies. What I tried to do is I tried to take them out of their thing too early. It was still hot. And so I took it out, realized my mistake, and tried to put it back in. Don't do that. Now we have brownies that look like this. Which, I mean, to be fair, this is very rustic. It's not gonna be really fancy looking, but it's gonna be good. It's all about the learning.
And the rusticness.
And the rusticness. So much rustic.
Now we're going to be drizzling the caramel all over the brownie. Satisfying montage, insert now.
Now I understand that obviously, as soon as I pour this caramel on top, it's going to seep in and I'm not gonna get that beautiful glaze. I'm a little bit sad about it, but it's still gonna be really tasty.
Yeah.
So please forgive me for my mistakes.
It won't affect the taste, it'll just affect
the
the
look.
aesthetic.
Yeah. I don't know why my timer is still going on, but I don't even care. Cause caramel. Now we have to let this rest and harden. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. It feels good.
Yeah.
So that's good. You ready, everyone? Ooh. Look at that.
That still looks yummy.
Oh, I'm so excited about this. Oh.
That's how you know it's a good brownie.
Oh.
Ooh.
That's a good one right there.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so messy.
That's how you know it's good though.
That's how you know.
Oh,
Rustic.
it's crispy on the outside. Oh, okay, ready?
Ready? Cheers.
Oh my god. Wow.
It takes me a minute to get to the brownie. That's like so much caramel.
I just gotta say, it's perfect in every single way, shape, and form.
That's really good. I don't
They
think.
put salt on top, but honestly,
Oh my gosh, yeah.
I don't really like salt on top.
No? Okay, I'm gonna put some on top of mine.
Whoa! That's a special salt. Satisfying.
Ooh, I'm gonna put. Perfect. Now I'm gonna taste it with the salt. If I can lift it up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I like caramel.
Look at this. This is crazy.
How do you feel?
I like it with the salt. I don't know how you're eating this and not getting it all over yourself.
I think maybe because I got an end piece, so there's less caramel.
That's probably what it is, because I feel like I'm getting it all over myself.
I do agree. I think less caramel would be spot on, but still with the caramel, it's really good.
And I know they're probably trying to go like over the
Above
top.
and beyond.
But I feel like I'm missing more brownie. You know, because the brownie's really good, and I feel like the caramel's like overpowering it a
It
little
is
bit.
overpowering it.
Now I'm gonna finish eating this.
Oh, I already finished. Mine was good.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you head over to Alan's channel to watch us go and eat more food and get more drinks.
The food collab.
The food club. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. New videos here every Saturday, and that's everything.
And no, it's not.
Oh!
just came out with a new palette. It's with Pixie, and if you're in the States, you'll get it at Target. And that's her on the back.
That's
in
me.
black and white.
It's me. It's so weird. It's still weird to see you guys seeing it in Target and like actually like picking it up in your hands.
So
but that's not
crazy.
all. That's not all, my friend. This is Adeline's palette. Look at it. Oh my gosh.
You can get them both.
Get them both.
When you're at Target, you go get the RachhLoves palette. When you're at Ulta, you go get the Adeline palette.
Gorgeous palette. I have the shades on my ads today. They're beautiful. Super blendable. Go and check them out. But yeah, of course, because girls supporting girls.
Girls
That's
supporting
what we're
girls.
about. Oh, thank you so much for watching, guys. And we will see you all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.